Well, this is probably not what you were expecting when you saw we were going to do culinary arts, but if you're familiar with Threshold to Hope, welcome. If you're not familiar with Threshold to Hope, we're a diverse group of artists, and today we're going to do some culinary arts. When we left last time, I promised some of our ladies that I would bake for them, and since I'm not able to do that, we will try to carry on and let you try this yourself. Some of our newer members from India have brought some of their culinary delights, and so I thought I would reciprocate and try to produce something for them. This is a recipe that my mother made when I was very young. It was for special occasions, so it was a mandate for our 4th of July breakfast picnic. Always had it on my birthday because this was my favorite. And it can be done artistically. My mom would put it into a pan that's shaped like a Christmas tree and decorate it like a Christmas tree. So there's a lot of ways to make this. It's a sour cream coffee cake. You don't have to have coffee to enjoy it, and I know who your coffee drinkers are because I've been there. So, although I do like it with coffee. So let's get started. In this bowl, I have a ½ cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of sour cream, right here, and 1 egg. Now, the tricky part is you dissolve a ½ teaspoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of water. Put that in there. Then, as Michael Jackson would say, beat it. Now we'll set our oven at 350 degrees. And we need a greased and dusted pan, which, in lieu of grease, we'll just use a little spray here. Pop in a little flour. This was actually my job when Mom was making this, was to dust the pan. And I'm sorry, Akila, we do not have any ghee in this recipe, but if you have some, we can probably use it later on when we get to the very end, because when it's all said and done, we are going to butter the top of this and then put some powdered sugar on it. So this goes into the oven. And we set our timer. Set timer for 30 minutes.
Okay, 30 minutes and counting.
So this has been in the oven for 30 minutes, and it looks golden brown, just the way we want it. So what we do is we take a toothpick, stick it in the middle. If it comes out clean, it's done. So, now this is the part where, Akila, if you got some ghee, get it out. And if you don't, then just grab you a stick of butter and we'll just go for it. But anyway, first thing you do is butter the whole top. And you want to make sure every little bit is covered. And just like that. Now, get your favorite kind of powdered sugar. And if you got some sprinkles, you can throw that on top too. There you have sour cream coffee cake, and it is delicious and best when served warm, not hot but warm. So hope you enjoy, and I can't wait to see you again.